we will discuss Mendel's law of segregation. Father of genetics Gregor John Mendel conducted hybridization experiment on garden pea Pisum sativa to study the inheritance of character from one generation to another generation. On the basis of the fact and result of his experiment, 4 laws of inheritance have been proposed. These are law of unit character, law of dominance, third, law of segregation, and fourth, law of independent assortment. The first two law of unit character and law of dominance, are not universal. They are considered as genetic phenomenon. So, the law of segregation is regarded as first Mendel's law of inheritance. This law of segregation is based on the result of monohybrid cross. A cross between the two plants which differ in a pair of contrasting character controlled by an allelic pair. Are crossed together. We will discuss the law of inheritance by taking an example of monohybrid cross in pea plant for plant height. Which has two contrasting characters, tall and dwarf. They are controlled by a pair of allele, capital T and small t. A pure tall plant having the genotype capital T and dwarf plant as parent, the tall may be taken as female or dwarf as male or vice versa, are crossed. We know both the plants are homozygous, and homozygous plant always produce only one type of gamete. Tall plant produce capital T type gamete and dwarf plant produce small t type gametes. These gametes are fused during the fertilization to form the F1 generation. The plants of F1 generation are hybrid or heterozygous, having the genotype capital T and small t, and they are phenotypically tall because tallness is dominant over dwarfness. This heterozygous plant, we know the heterozygous plant always produce more than one type of gamete depend upon the number of contrasting character involved. This F1 hybrid plant produce two type of gamete, capital T and small t. In this way, the members of allelic pair from the two parents, that is capital T and small t, brought together as in F1 hybrid, they separate or segregate without any blending or mixing. On the basis of this monohybrid cross, we can define the law of segregation as two plants which differ in a pair of contrasting character are crossed so as to bring the members of allelic pair together as in F1 hybrid. When the F1 hybrid form the gamete, the members of allelic pair separate or segregate without blending or mixing is known as law of segregation. This law of segregation is also known as law of purity of gamete, because each gamete produced from the F1 hybrid are pure in a particular character. This T gamete, capital T gamete, is pure in tallness and small t gamete pure in dwarfness. Because each of the gamete receive only one form of the allelic pair or one member of allelic pair, and these member of allelic pair are separated without any mixing, blending or contamination. So this law is also known as law of purity of gamete. The law of segregation or law of purity of gamete can be proved by test cross. In this cross, the F1 hybrid is crossed with a plant similar to the recessive parent, that is small t dwarf. This plant also produces one type of gamete, that is small t. This gamete may be fused with either of the gamete of F1 hybrid to form the genotype capital T and another genotype small t, and these are phenotypically tall and dwarf in the F2 generation. In F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is tall 1, dwarf 1. So the ratio is 1:1. Similarly, the genotypic ratio in test cross is capital T 1, small t 1. So the ratio is 1:1. It means both the phenotypic as well as the genotypic ratio in the F2 generation is same. The amount of tall plant and dwarf plant are also equal. These results shows that the members of allelic pair during the gamete formation separate or segregate without any blending, means each gamete is pure in particular character, so it proves the law of segregation. The law of segregation has a significant role in the development of gene concept. According to this law, each character in an organism is controlled by a unit known as factor or genes. These factor or the genes are always found in the pair known as allelic pair. Each allelic pair controls a pair of contrasting character. The members of allelic pair are present in the form of the unit, so they are not mixed or contaminate one another. No contamination or mixing, no mixing or contamination during the gamete formation or during the separation of the member of allelic pair. During the gametogenesis, each gamete receives only one member of allelic pair. If the one member of allelic pair is beneficial and another is not advantageous, in such case the beneficial members of allele can be transmitted from generation to generation without any alteration, because there is no any type of the mixing or contamination occur between the members of allelic pair. So in this lecture we have described the monohybrid cross. On the basis of monohybrid cross, we define the law of segregation, and then to prove the law of segregation, we make a test cross between the F1 hybrid and the recessive parent. Then we discuss the significance of the law of segregation in the development of gene concept. Thank you.